This modified i8 is finally back from the Fyre Rally, and today I'm going to talk about all the damage I now have to repair. The first one you guys probably saw on Daily Driven Exotics channel. A tire bounced off of a McLaren 720S and hit the front end of the car. Unfortunately, because the amount of traffic, swerving out of the way wasn't really an option. So when it came down to hitting another car or letting the tire hit the bumper, we made the choice that we had to. We were able to do some repairs on the side of the road, but the bumper needs to be completely replaced now. You guys also might have saw that the tire delaminated on the side of the road. It did cause a little bit of damage to the rear bumper. I really hope that doesn't need to be replaced because, as you can see, that's not really a rear bumper. That's a whole piece to itself. On top of that, the entire car is filthy. And while I'm at it, from the absolute bottom of my heart, screw this rally. I think I'm the last person to take this off, and I wanted to make a separate video about it, but it just pisses me off even looking at it after everything that we went through. Wow, now you can really see how dirty the car is. So now I need to wash the car, fix all the damage, and take off all of the stickers that the car accumulated along the rally. So let me know down below if you guys want to hear my side of what happened on the Fyre Rally.